Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie Tips and Tricks. I am shocked when I see certain food items at a grocery store that are way overpriced, like buttermilk, roasted peppers, ground turkey and ground chicken, tahini, just to name a few. Vanilla sugar is another one, and with the holidays coming, why spend more when it can be made at home? So my friends, let's get cooking.
Here's our vanilla bean, and we'll slice it lengthwise all the way. We'll open up the pod, and with the back of the knife, we'll scrape out the seeds. See? Here's some on the tip of my knife. Now we'll add it to the sugar. After we've removed all the seeds, we don't throw the bean away. No. We'll actually bury it in the sugar. So next time after using a vanilla bean, don't throw it away. Put it in your sugar. We'll transfer the sugar mixture into an airtight container, stir, close, and let it sit for 2 weeks before using.
As you saw in this video, it's that easy. Plus, you'll save money. I hope you enjoyed tips and tricks of the day, and for many more, including recipes, visit clubfoodie.com. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!